What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, I got a huge 15-pound box of stuff. But first, we're going to open up these little packages. So we're going to have a little unboxing video today. I have not opened these up yet. I just covered my addresses. So you guys can get my reaction. This is all stuff I ordered from eBay, from other sellers. This is a really strange way of packaging this. So like this seller's like, screw the envelope. Get a bunch of cardboard and sandwich it together and tape the crap out of it. I guess whatever works, right? Oh, let's see what we got here. That's kind of cool. They made like a coin that fits inside cardboard. Well, that's actually a pretty good way of shipping stuff. All right, well, let's let's try and get this open without razor blading the actual coin out. Oh, dude, did he tape it? Oh, no, he just taped this plastic bag. All right, let's get this out. Wow, this looks good already. What is this? 1879. Beautiful luster. Wow. Man, this thing is sharp. Whew. That is one beautiful coin. All right, I got marker on my hand, so I'm going to pause it here and wash my hands with alcohol. So yeah, just as a little tip, if you ever get marker in your hands, alcohol takes it off immediately, especially if you get it on something too. Alrighty, well this is absolutely drop dead gorgeous. Let's get a flip here going. Man, I'm not used to getting coins this nice right off the bat. I do not remember what I paid for it. I guess who cares, right? As long as it's nice. Alright, put this in the flip here. Man, that is a bad boy. Or girl. Whatever you call your coins. I just love that frostiness, and these are like really clear fields. Man, nothing wrong with the rim. Super sharp. No issues whatsoever. I mean, what do you guys think? Like, would something like this actually score a mint state 65? I mean, I've seen them in holders that are this nice. So, all right, well, that would be awesome if that's the case. I'm pretty sure I didn't pay like 250 bucks for that one. All right, let's open up the next one. This big boy here is probably easier to open up with some scissors. I do like reusing coin supply, so rather than just tossing that cardboard, I'm going to reuse it. And let's make sure nothing else in here. Anything else? No, nothing. Looks like a silver dollar. All right, a lot of bubble wrappage. And we have an 1878 San Francisco Mint Morgan. Was 150, Gem BU 75. All right, let's see if I agree. Whoo-wee! This is really nice, man. Holy smokes. All right. Yeah, probably was a $150 coin. You might have hit. Whoa, holy reflectiveness. Dude. Wow. It's definitely proof-like on the reverse. And definitely mirror-like, like deep mirror-like on the obverse. Wow, wow, wow. Absolutely drop-dead gorgeous coin. Whew, that is nice. Cheeks, super clear cheeks, too. Above the ear, it doesn't get any better than that. Like, this is a very, very high mint state. Yeah, there's some stuff in the fields. There's a little bit of toning, but wow. And a frosty reverse. And it's mirror-like. Man. Well, I didn't think it'd look this good. I'm telling you, like, this guy took a photo like this. It wasn't even like this good. I mean, his photo was like that. Like, that was his photo. It was like super far in the picture. So, all right, well, let's get a flip for this one. Man, double bonus. Man, this one's so beautiful. Jeez. I normally don't get that excited about Morgans, but man, like I thought this one was really nice, but dude, this one with the mirrors next to it, granted it's a different year, it's an earlier year, but holy smokes, man, gorgeous. All right, this probably is not going to be as expensive.